This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken gravy at home. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of chicken drippings, or butter if you don't have drippings, along with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Also, have 2 cups of good quality chicken broth on hand. This simple preparation makes the entire process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the foundation for our delicious gravy, the roux. In a medium saucepan, melt your 2 tablespoons of chicken fat or butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in the 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture forms a smooth paste and achieves a light golden color. This step is crucial for flavor and thickening. With your roux ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in the 2 cups of chicken broth, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring frequently. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the gravy reaches your desired thickness. It should coat the back of a spoon beautifully. Finally, let's perfect the flavor. Taste your gravy and season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. If you prefer an extra smooth consistency, you can strain the gravy through a fine mesh sieve before serving. This homemade chicken gravy is perfect over mashed potatoes, turkey, or biscuits. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.